Struggling with oily hair can be frustrating, but finding the right shampoo can make all the difference. Whether you're battling excess oil or simply want a cleaner scalp, the right shampoo can help you achieve a fresh, balanced look. In this video, we'll review the top 5 shampoos for oily hair, examining their key features, benefits, and how they perform. Let's get started and find the perfect solution for your oily hair woes. Kicking off our list at number 1, Neutrogena Anti-Residue Shampoo. The Neutrogena Anti-Residue Shampoo is a powerhouse designed to remove buildup and leave your hair feeling clean and refreshed. It's specifically formulated to tackle residue from hair products and hard water. Key features: this shampoo features a clarifying formula that effectively cleanses the hair without stripping it of essential moisture. It's gentle yet powerful, making it suitable for weekly use to prevent buildup. The formula is also free of dyes and fragrances, reducing irritation. Benefits and usage: ideal for oily hair, Neutrogena Anti-Residue Shampoo removes excess oil and buildup, restoring a clean and fresh feel. Use it once a week as a treatment by applying to wet hair, massaging into the scalp, and rinsing thoroughly. Follow up with your regular shampoo to maintain balance. Usability: the clear, gel-like texture lathers well and rinses out easily. It's designed to be used occasionally, so it works best as a supplementary product to your regular shampoo routine. Durability: the shampoo remains effective throughout its shelf life. Storing it properly ensures that the formula continues to perform as intended, keeping your hair clean and residue-free. In the second spot, we have Kiehl's Amino Acid Shampoo. Kiehl's Amino Acid Shampoo is a gentle yet effective option for those with oily hair. It's enriched with amino acids and coconut oil to provide a balanced cleanse without excessive drying. Key features: this shampoo is formulated with amino acids, which help to strengthen and protect the hair while gently cleansing. Coconut oil adds moisture without making the hair greasy, making it ideal for balancing oily scalps. The formula is also sulfate-free, minimizing irritation. Benefits and usage: Kiehl's Amino Acid Shampoo is perfect for maintaining clean, healthy hair while preventing oil buildup. Apply to wet hair, lather, and rinse thoroughly. It's suitable for daily use and works well as a balanced cleanser for oily hair types. Usability: the shampoo's creamy texture lathers easily and spreads smoothly through the hair. It provides a gentle, effective clean without leaving the hair feeling stripped or dry. Durability: the formula remains consistent throughout its shelf life, ensuring reliable performance. Proper storage helps maintain the integrity of the amino acids and coconut oil, delivering balanced cleansing. Coming in at number 3 is the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Shampoo. Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Shampoo is known for its invigorating formula that tackles oily hair and refreshes the scalp. It's infused with tea tree oil, peppermint, and lavender for a revitalizing experience. Key features: this shampoo features tea tree oil, which is renowned for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Peppermint adds a cooling sensation, while lavender provides a soothing fragrance. The formula effectively cleanses and invigorates the scalp, reducing excess oil. Benefits and usage: ideal for oily hair, Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Shampoo helps to balance oil production and leave the scalp feeling fresh. Apply to wet hair, massage into the scalp, and rinse thoroughly. It can be used daily or as needed for a refreshing cleanse. Usability: the shampoo lathers well and provides a refreshing, tingling sensation. It's easy to use and integrates seamlessly into your regular hair care routine, offering a revitalizing boost. Durability: the formula remains effective throughout its shelf life. Proper storage ensures that the tea tree oil and other ingredients continue to perform well, keeping your scalp clean and invigorated. Taking our 4th spot is L'Oréal Paris Elvive Extraordinary Clay Shampoo. L'Oréal Paris Elvive Extraordinary Clay Shampoo is designed specifically for oily roots and dry ends. It's formulated with 3 refined clays to purify and balance the scalp while hydrating the hair. Key features: this shampoo combines 3 types of clay, kaolin, montmorillonite, and blue clay, to absorb excess oil and impurities. It provides a balanced cleanse that doesn't dry out the ends of your hair. The formula is also enriched with a fresh, invigorating fragrance. Benefits and usage: perfect for oily hair with dry ends. L'Oréal Paris Elvive Extraordinary Clay Shampoo helps to maintain a clean, balanced scalp while hydrating the hair. Apply to wet hair, lather, and rinse thoroughly. It's suitable for daily use and helps to keep oil in check. Usability: the creamy texture lathers well and spreads evenly through the hair. It effectively cleanses the scalp while leaving the hair feeling fresh and hydrated. Durability: the formula remains effective throughout its shelf life. Storing it properly ensures that the clays and hydrating ingredients continue to perform, balancing oil and hydration. And finally, at number 5, we have Aveda Rosemary Mint Shampoo. Aveda Rosemary Mint Shampoo is a refreshing option for oily hair, featuring a blend of rosemary and mint to invigorate and cleanse. It's designed to stimulate the scalp while controlling excess oil. Key features: this shampoo is formulated with organic rosemary and peppermint, which help to invigorate the scalp and reduce oiliness. It also contains a plant-based cleansing complex that effectively removes impurities without stripping the hair of moisture. Benefits and usage: ideal for oily hair, Aveda Rosemary Mint Shampoo helps to balance oil production and revitalize the scalp. Apply to wet hair, massage into the scalp, and rinse thoroughly. It can be used daily for a refreshing and clean feeling. Usability: the shampoo's gel-like texture lathers well and provides a refreshing, cooling sensation. It's easy to use and offers a clean, invigorating experience that helps maintain oil balance. Durability: the formula remains effective throughout its shelf life. Proper storage ensures that the rosemary and mint continue to deliver their invigorating benefits, keeping your hair fresh and balanced. Choosing the best shampoo for oily hair can transform your hair care routine, helping you maintain a clean and balanced scalp. Each of these top 5 shampoos offers unique benefits to address excess oil and keep your hair looking its best. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to fresh, fabulous hair every day.